Once again, welcome to this module. Let us now get very detailed information about our module. Yes, India is a global leader in ICT, which is information and communication technology, and other cutting edge domains such as space. It stores different types of informations and relationship among those information. Technology itself will play an important role in the improvement of educational processes and outcome. The relationship between technology and education at all the levels is bidirectional. The NETF, which is National Education Technology Forum, will be created to provide a platform for the free exchange of ideas on the use of technology to enhance learning, assessment, planning, administration, and so on, both for school and higher education. The aim of NETF will be to facilitate decision making on the induction, deployment, and use of technology by providing to the leadership of educational institutions, state and central governments, and other stakeholders. In the right hand side, you could see NETF are categorized in three different forms. Let us discuss the key functions and the role of NETF. It provides the independent, evidence-based advice to the central and state government agencies on technology-based interventions, build an intellectual and institutional capacities in educational technology. It also organizes multiple regional and national conferences, workshops and all, maintain a regular inflow of authentic data from multiple sources, including the educational technology innovations and practitioners, engage with a diverse set of researchers to analyze the data. Okay, let us see the different interventions of technology. Technology, which makes teaching, learning, and evaluation processes, supporting teacher preparation and professional development, enhancing educational access, streamlining educational management and administration, removing language barriers, access to Divyang students. What are the emerging technologies right now we are having? There are 5: AI, artificial intelligence, robotics, 3D, simulation, and also the other upcoming things. NETF, which categorizes the emergent technology based on their potential, which is directly linked to Ministry of Education, which recommends NRF, which is National Research Foundation, to take up further research on the identified areas. What are the technology use and the integration? Let's see. Schooling and continuing education will assist in raising the general or populace awareness about the potential and effect of disruptive technology to facilitate informed choices. The study of current affairs and ethical issues will also include a discussion on disruptive technologies. Other disruptive technologies that are expected to change the way we live and therefore change the way we educate the students include those relating to clean and renewable energy, water conservation, sustainable farming, and all that. Development aspects are teacher professionals development in Diksha platform, rich variety of educational software in all the major Indian languages and will also be accessible to Divyang students. Diksha or Swayam will be better integrated across school and higher education, teaching, learning, e-content and uploaded onto digital platform, promote and expand this Diksha as well as other education technology initiatives, suitable equipment for sustainable, integrate e-contents into teaching learning practices. What are the importance which recognizes this NEP? Leveraging the advantages of technology while acknowledging the potential risks and dangers, carefully designed and appropriately scaled pilot studies to determine the benefits of digital online education, optimizing and expanding the existing digital platform and ongoing ICT-based educational initiatives to meet the current needs and further challenges. Using technology for online and digital education adequately to address the concerns of equity. What are the challenges of online and digital education? Let's see one by one. Digital competencies of teachers to meet the further need, unavailability of open and public digital resources infrastructure, limitation in delivering certain types of courses or subjects in online or digital space, online assessment on scale, becoming screen-based education, bridging digital divide. Let us see more detail the key initiatives of NEP 2020, which recommends pilot studies for online education, digital infrastructure, online teaching platforms and tools, content creation, digital repository and discrimination, addressing the digital divide, virtual labs, training and incentives for teachers, online assessment and examinations, blended models of learning, laying down standards. Okay, what are the ensuring equitability use of technology? We have way forward in different types, which is suitable teaching training to prepare teachers as effective online educators, availability of affordable computing devices to eliminate this digital divide, change in the pedagogy, optimizing and expanding this ICT based initiatives, online assessment and different approach, blended approach with online and experiential learning. It provides the assistive tools for monitoring progress of diverse group of learners, leveraging the existing platform for creating virtual labs, invest on creation of open, interruptible, evolvable public digital infrastructure, and we provide educational programs to make 24/7 available in different languages, provide two-way audio and video interface for holding online classes. We have seen the different adoptive measures, different technology interventions and all, how to implement NEP. So let's see the methods now. Conduct research on disruptive technology and current status of ICT implementation in schools and teacher education institutions and develop of e-content strategies, training module on content of ICT pedagogy integration as per the new pedagogical and curricular structure recommended in NEP 2020. Continuous customization of architecture of digital education platform at national level, including the portals, apps, and labs as per the arising educational needs. Design, development, and rollout MOOCs, massive open online courses for students and teachers with appropriate policy evaluation, certification, and credit transfer. Dissemination of digital contents through multiple modes, as well as collaboration and coordination with national and state level institutions for convergence of efforts. So today we have received information related to online and digital infrastructure methods to implement NEP under Module 13. Lastly, I would like to congratulate and thank you for joining us in completing Module 13 successfully. I hope the information that you have received today will benefit you. Stay connected with our program for more information regarding national education policy. Until then, take care. Goodbye.